Hi guys, welcome back to Mom in Tech. Remember, this channel is all about transforming stay-at-home mom to tech mom to career moms. Okay, so today we have some interesting topic that we want to share. It's how to become a transcriber. Transcription is our topic anyways. So today we'll be looking at what transcribing is all about, the earning potential of a transcriber, and of course how to kickstart your journey in this field. So what is transcription? Transcription involves converting spoken words from audio or video recordings into this written text. All right, it is a vital service that makes content more accessible, whether it's for closed captions, subtitles, or creating an accurate records of important conversation. Now, the earning potential of a transcriber, it varies, because of course they have beginners and the people that are more experienced. So for the beginners, they earn $10 to $15 per hour. Yes, per hour. Then for the experienced or the advanced people, they earn $25 to $30 per hour. So it depends on also, it is also good to note that there are different types of transcription. So you can choose what field you want, is whether the general, the medical transcription, the legal one. It is up to you to just make up your mind. And the skills and tools that are needed for this field is to have an excellent listening and typing skill, attention to detail, good grammar and punctuation. And of course, the tools that are needed, for every text skill, you first need a laptop, reliable network service, and of course a transcription software that works efficiently. Now we've arranged courses that you have to take just for free. Click the link in our description box to start off your journey in this field. All right, thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till we meet again next time. Thank you.